Can I have it?
No.
Okay. That's fine, you can have it.
His name is Becca.
Your name?
His name's Jenny.
I'm Jenny. This is Becca. So today we're gonna show you how to make, I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna show them how to make a fruit necklace.
Okay.
Okay?
A fruit necklace.
A fruit necklace. What do we have here? We have grapes.
Grapes.
One grape. We have strawberries. Right? We have strawberries.
Yeah, we have strawberries.
We have blueberries.
We have blueberries.
Yep. We have melon.
Melon.
Melon's my favorite. I want one. Yummy. We have Cheerios.
Cherry.
And what's this?
Popcorn.
Popcorn. We have popcorn. Okay. So first, you're gonna take a big person like me. You're gonna take either your mommy or your sister or your brother.
That's my sister.
You don't have a sister, but if she had a sister, she would take her sister. I'm her tatia, so your tatia is gonna help you with this necklace.
Okay.
Okay?
I don't have my necklace. What's my name?
Becca, your name is Becca. Okay, so first, in order to keep all this stuff on the necklace, we're gonna take one of the Cheerios, see? We're gonna put it on the necklace. Yeah, wait, we gotta just tie this one first. So there we go. The Cheerios stuck on the string. It's gonna hold everything else. So what do you want to put on the necklace now?
I don't know.
What do you want to put? Pick one. We have grapes, we have strawberries, we have blueberries, we have melon, and we have popcorn. You want to put a blueberry? Okay, so we're gonna put one blueberry. What else are we gonna put on? What do you want to put on now? Strawberry? Put a strawberry. Let's put some melon. You can put whatever you want, however way you want.
No.
No? Popcorn? Let's put popcorn now. Ooh. That didn't work so well. Let's try another one. That didn't work either. Let's try one more. If not, we're scrapping the popcorn. Oh no, Tatia got it. There we go. And now let's put a grape. We don't have grapes yet. Okay, so now we have everything on the necklace. So once you have enough fruits on your necklace to cover your neck, we're gonna put one more Cheerio on the end of it and tie a knot so that it holds it together.
Not going better.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna stay. Watch. See? One knot, two knot. There we go. So there you go, you have your fruit necklace. Woo! Everything's stuck, see? And now we're just gonna put it on you. Okay, ready, Becca? How is it? How is it? Is it good?
Good.
Yeah, you like it? Do you think it looks pretty? You gonna help Tatia make one now?
Yeah.
Yeah? For me? Thank you. Okay, say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Bye. And that's how you make a fruit necklace.